Henkels and McCoy was founded in 1923 by John Henkels Jr. and his friend, John McCoy, when they purchased a truck for tree trimming and landscaping work. As the business grew, Mr. Henkels bought out Mr. McCoy's share of the company, but he still thought a lot of his friend and decided to keep the name. Over time, the company took on more work for utility companies, including telephone lines, water lines, electrical distribution, and gas work. By the late 1950s, Henkels and McCoy employed over 1,200 people in 31 states, performing work for 14 power companies and 23 telephone companies, from the East Coast to the Mississippi River and south to Florida. New inventions, new technologies, and growth in the natural gas market over the next decades kept this expansion going. In 1977, Henkels and McCoy established a new division devoted exclusively to pipeline and natural gas operations, eventually basing this division's headquarters in Norman, Oklahoma. The pipeline division of Henkels and McCoy specializes in all aspects of natural gas infrastructure, from wellhead to burner tip, and consists of 850 pieces of owned mobile construction equipment, plus small support tooling, testing, and calibrating equipment. To handle peak construction seasons, additional equipment is rented, and in 2015, the total equipment count reached 2,200 on- and off-road machines. Tracking the location and condition of this equipment has been a significant challenge. After 2 years of preparation, Henkels and McCoy's pipeline division began tracking their equipment using a telematic management system. Gil Gilbert, fleet manager for the pipeline division, says, "Our target areas of focus were for utilization, equipment movement, maintenance, and rental equipment operation. As we started to set this up, we quickly realized the ability to solve one of our most problematic areas of equipment transfers and proper billing. By simply building accurate geofences and sub-geofences, we could in real time see this equipment move, transfer from one area to another, from one job to another, and have those changes made in real time, so we did not miss any billing or utilization, thus netting credit back to the proper projects and a more accurate margin rate." Gil adds, "Another push for our technology was to somehow incorporate real-time accurate fuel spend and burn. Our OEM telematics did a good job of showing us fuel burn, but our aftermarket solution for older equipment lacked in this area. By utilizing our aftermarket's per-post inspection device technology and capabilities, we were able to work with our service provider to think outside the box and adapt this technology to enable us to accurately track and see in real time all fuel dispensed out of our fuel trucks and into each and every piece of equipment on every project. Over the course of peak construction time, we were able to track and document 620,000 gallons of fuel used on off-road equipment, netting a tax credit of $327,000. Maintenance presented another challenge to the pipeline division, with equipment spread out over a national footprint in remote places. Working with their telematics provider to modify the software and over-the-road driver's operating systems, and to develop and install machine-specific maintenance check sheets with easy-to-use drop-down menus for services performed, parts used, and labor time, are now all logged automatically and are instantly downloadable. This program has taken Henkels and McCoy's pipeline fleet's recorded preventative maintenance ratio from an average of 52% to 75% and climbing. Another area of concern with a large and variable fleet is tracking the capabilities and safety features of each piece of equipment. Using a system of QR codes, Henkels and McCoy now provides instant access to lifting charts, maintenance check sheets, and other information related to each machine. Gil explains, "We now are able to give anyone that has a smartphone or tablet with code scanning applications instant access to information or documentation from a simple sticker placed at specific locations on every piece of equipment we have." While the total cost savings are yet to be calculated, Henkels and McCoy has realized increased equipment utilization and efficiency, as well as increased levels of safety and confidence through their comprehensive adoption of telematics fleet management. AEMP and Construction Equipment are proud to present Henkels and McCoy Pipeline Division with the 2016 Fleet Master Award for Large Fleets.
you.